To install a mobile application to your phone, you'll need to go to the App Store or Google Play Store. That depends on which type of iPhone or Android device you're using. Under the search bar, you will type Glocom Go 5. And press search. Once you find the application, press install and wait for the installation to finish. While you wait, you can find the email that has been sent to you from IT DreamWire with the QR code provided by the DreamWire support team. When you're ready, you can point the application while open and put scan QR code to the email that's been sent. And that's how you log in. Confirm your new password. And after you've confirmed a password that's sufficiently strong, it will prompt you to confirm the password. And then you're done. That completes the Glocom installation.